How do I restrict access to the WordPress Media Library? There are two methods: backend restrictions and front-end protection. Backend restrictions control who sees files in the WordPress dashboard. Use custom code in FUNCTIONS.PHP or the Restrict Media Library Access plugin to limit authors and contributors to their own uploads. Front-end protection blocks direct file downloads. Use Prevent Direct Access Gold to create private download links with expiration dates and block search engine indexing. In WordPress, the Media Library lets you upload and manage all your images, videos, and documents in one place. But by default, anyone with dashboard access can view every file, even private ones. That becomes a problem when you need to keep certain media restricted to specific users or areas of your site. So, how do you restrict access to the WordPress Media Library? Let's see 3 simple methods. Method 1. Manual code. To manually restrict media library access in WordPress, add code to your functions.php file. Before making changes, create a backup and use a child theme. Then, go to Appearance, Theme File Editor, select Theme Functions under Theme Files and insert this code. This code adds a filter to WordPress media queries. It checks if the current user has the Edit Others Post capability. If they don't, meaning they're authors or contributors, WordPress only shows them files where they're listed as the author. Admins and editors keep full access because they have the Edit Others Posts capability. Backend Method 2. Plugin. Use the Restrict Media Library Access plugin. Go to Plugins, Add Plugin, search Restrict Media Library Access. Install and activate. No configuration needed. The plugin automatically limits authors and contributors to their own uploads. Admins and editors see all files. Front-end method. Prevent Direct Access Gold. Backend restrictions don't stop direct downloads. If someone has the file URL, they can download it. PDA Gold solves this. First, install and activate the plugin. Then go to Media Library, hover over a file and click Configure File Protection. Click Protect this file and select Auto-Generate New Link. PDA Gold generates unique private download links. You can set link expiration by date or number of clicks. The plugin blocks search engines from indexing protected files and supports all file formats. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials that actually work.